Hi, I'm with Karthik. You're coming down to our Digital Cafe event on the 14th of November where we're looking at teams in the widest sense. Can you explain a little bit more about what we're looking at with yourself?
Really, what's happening more with organisations now is the traditional ways of working, where you kind of go along to a meeting and you have a discussion and you go away, you do some work. That kind of stuff's changing really, because instead of having a very sort of command and control based way of functioning these days, you tend to have this network kind of approach. We bring a team together with the skills needed to solve a problem. And actually, what's the point in just sitting and talking about stuff? You might also kind of work together if you can, and spend a lot more time. So we're finding, for example, that in projects now, by using things like Skype for Business and Teams, we can end up spending 2 hours rather than just talking about stuff, actually doing it at the same time. And traditionally you sit down in a room, somebody help you with a presentation, you kind of listen, you work on your mobile phone at the same time, do whatever else. Most of the people ignore it. But just with some technology, what you can do is you could start out a presentation, for example, and if I want to make a point, I can take control and use my screen and show you something, or you can pull up an application, do some drawing and some notes at the same time. And it's just becoming more collaborative. It's a very different way of actually operating, which I think is much more suitable for this day and age.
So you're going to help us look at how to look at that, take a case study approach, see how you've used a different way of thinking to come to a different way of working as a team.
Yeah, I think what I'll try and go through is how the technology is helping in practice. Because really, from one point of view, from a customer's point of view, the technology isn't the important bit. What they want to do is make something happen, which is try and understand what's in somebody's mind and figure out whether or not you can build a solution for that customer.
Yeah.
And the technology should really just get out of your way. It should help you do it, but not be the focus. You shouldn't spend all your time kind of struggling with the settings or doing whatever else. And I think we're now at a stage where actually the Microsoft technology is at a stage where you can just do that. You can kind of turn it on. Almost every large organization has it. Small organizations can get the same technology without too much difficulty. So, for example, previously I suppose you'd have to be a big company to get the full Microsoft suite. Well, now you can have a single seat for I think the same sort of pricing, which means I find it possible to get all kinds of stakeholders in the same call without any difficulty. So I'll show some examples of how that works for us in practice, and hopefully we'll understand a bit more about it from you on what that means in terms of options for companies.
Yeah, excellent. Thank you very much.
No problem.
Also, so therefore, be at Digital Cafe 14th of November, be there or be somewhere else.